Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn second chapter of geography, location and extension, or extent of India and Brazil. First of all, in geography there are 9 lessons, and first lesson is field visit. We will learn this lesson after some time. First we start from location and extent of India and Brazil. So let's start. Some few things are which I have to tell here. That is, look at these two flags. First India, then Brazil. The second largest populated country in the world is India. India famous for spices in the world, and cricket is a popular sport here. Then Brazil. Brazil, as per the population, it comes fifth number. Here famous samba dance, known for the coffee pot of the world. Football is popular game here, sports here in Brazil. Now talk about the location and extension of the India. India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere of the earth. It is located in the southern part of the Asian continent. Look at the figure 2.1. Here the mainland of India. The degree you have to write there here in blank space. 8 degree north to 68 degree 7 minute east to 8 degree north to 37 degree north, and between 68 degree east to 97 degree 25 minutes longitudes. Okay, then let's see the Brazil extension. Right here in the blank space, 5 degree 15 minute north to 33 degree 45 minute south latitude, and between to 34 degree to 47 minute west to 37 degree 48 minute west longitude. Here this is the blank. So right here the neighboring countries, oceans, seas of east, north, west, south of India. First of all, in east, right here Myanmar, north China and Bhutan, west Afghanistan, Arabian Sea, and south Indian Ocean. In Brazil, right here north Venezuela, west Peru, Paraguay, south Uruguay, and east Atlantic Ocean. So it is enough for today. So read the lesson carefully.